Hey, I hope everybody is doing good and staying safe and just feeling fantastic. I know that if you don't follow me on Instagram or check out my Instagram stories, you might be one of the people who are saying, "Where's Rose? Rose went MIA. What happened?" Because I got a bunch of DMs saying, "What happened? Are you not making videos anymore?" It's only been 2 weeks since I posted a video. However, I know I haven't been as active on Instagram or on YouTube, which is why or what prompted these questions, and it's totally understandable. The fact of the matter is I'm not quitting anything. If anything, the reason why I've been gone or a little bit kind of like off my game from your point of view is because I have been pushing the Veggie Rose thing full throttle. You guys, I'm so excited to announce the big news about the new website. I know I have revamped the website a few times before, but nothing like this new website. When I tell you that this new Veggie Rose website is nothing like any other vegan website I've ever seen before, I am so for real, guys. You guys have to check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. Let's go. So off the bat, if you guys are familiar with the Veggie Rose blooming burger, you will know that our logo has changed. I wanted to make it a little more mainstream, a little less vegan in your face, not because there's anything wrong with vegan. I mean, I'm still vegan. I just wanted it to be more geared towards the word plant-based because I wanted to be a little more mainstream and welcoming to everyone, and I didn't want to turn anybody off by just making everything say vegan all over the place and everything be green. And I wanted it to be more inviting and inclusive. You will find the usual menu buttons that you would find and the mobile menu on the side, and then you also have the featured menu option, which you will find the latest featured post, as well as the recipes with all of the categories, the seasons with every category you could think of, from Father's Day, Hanukkah, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Mardi Gras, every type of food you could possibly want in all those categories. If you feel like I'm missing anything in any of those categories, please don't forget to let me know down below because I would love to add anything that I might be missing. And of course, you could definitely find the blog on there, which you will have all of the most recent posts, but also on the main page, you do have a most recent post category, along with the trending now category, which you will find right now the Thanksgiving kind of seasonal things, which is what's trending. Then we have the most popular category with all of our most popular Veggie Rose recipes, and host a dinner party section where you can find your appetizers, dinner, dessert, and drinks all in one place, and you can host your perfect plant-based dinner party without having to go to a bunch of different places to find recipes. It's all there. And then you also have the kids-friendly section because I have little kiddos and I'm always trying to make kid-friendly stuff. Also 30-minute meals for those weekdays or any nights that you just need to get dinner on the table quickly. We've got you covered. And then your sweet treats, of course. And one of my favorite features on the new website is the little heart bookmark application, which you can just go onto any page or recipe which you like, press the little heart button, and it'll flutter a bunch of little hearts. Depending on how many times you press it, it'll flutter a bunch of little hearts, but it will also bookmark that recipe for you for the next time you want to see this recipe, and you can keep all of your favorited recipes in that bookmark section. In order to keep those and make sure they don't go away, if you clear your history or anything like that, they will go away. So in order to make sure you keep those, you can sign in, but that is totally optional. We also have the categories up top and a whole bar of different related recipes that you could be interested in depending on the recipe which you are on at the moment. And another one of my favorite features on this new website is the Get Ingredients button on the recipe, which you can click the Get Ingredients button and you can pick from Walmart, Instacart, or Amazon Prime to get your ingredients delivered straight to you, or you can get them pick up or however you decide. I've really been getting into the whole ordering my food or groceries and having them delivered to us since this whole COVID thing, but also because I've been working so hard on this, I don't have enough time to go into supermarkets. So this is a really awesome feature that I added. So I figured if it would help me, I'm sure it would help someone else too. And most of the posts have videos on there with the recipes along with the written recipe, which you can print, which you can pin. And before, in my old websites or my old blogs, which I could barely even call them a blog, I only had the recipe and that was it. There was no little blurb about the recipe or how the recipe came to be or anything like that. But all of my recipes on this new website, they all have a little blurb, a little bit piece of information that you may or may not want to read about. If you don't want to read about it, you can scroll all the way down, or you can click the little skip to recipe button on top of each post, and you can skip the reading altogether, straight to the recipe, straight to the point. Yeah, so I'm just so excited. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am, especially now that the holidays are here. There's so much to pick from and so much to see. And to top it off, I will be posting at least 3 recipes a week on this blog. So I'm just very, very proud, very excited. Yes, I know so much time went into it, and I hope you guys appreciate it and love it as much as I do, because this website is like my baby. So yeah, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support always. I highly appreciate you guys, every single one of you guys. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, and the link will be down below, so check it out. Show some love, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.